I want somebody to come to me and say, well, look, this is how a system could work. These are our recommendations. This is the way it would work financially. And Vanadium did that. Hi, I'm Tim. I live in West Sussex with my wife, and we've just finished a self-build project that's taken us probably no more than a couple of years. But we've always been really interested in making sure the house is as energy efficient as it possibly could be. We felt that to actually complete the picture, we should explore a battery storage system. And I drive an electric car, so it makes sense with the new tariffs that you can get to charge everything during the evening and then use that energy during the day. We found Vanadium on social media. We had a quick conversation, and then Tom and Ben came out to see us, and very quickly we discussed the options and we picked what we think is the right option for us going forward. We're pretty simple people. We built a house that we know if we had the right system, it would give us a reasonably quick payback. And Tom and Ben were great at that. They came, they explained it in plain English. They presented us with two options, because there are obviously more than one type of battery storage system out on the market. And I believe we've gone with the right one, which is SIGENERGY. The actual installation went really well. Didn't take that long. They were very neat and tidy, turned up when they said they were going to turn up, and very quickly got it installed. And it's a bugbear of ours that you talk to people and they don't get back to you, whether it's on an email or a phone call, but the Vanadium team were just fantastic. We always knew when they were coming. If they were running late or early, they would always tell you. So, it's just these simple things that are really good from a customer point of view. I'm almost looking forward to a power cut in the area. If that happens, of course, we will just switch immediately to the battery storage system, and we probably won't even be aware that the electricity is out elsewhere in the village. Yes, I'd definitely recommend Vanadium to others. Why? Very straightforward, spoke plain English, and actually did what they said they were going to do very efficiently.